is Manjri Mukherjee. You're watching me on Pop Diaries channel and I am with, okay, you can already see it, but मुझे फिर भी बोलना है कि I am with the handsome and the versatile Park San and none other than the beautiful and vivacious Kushali Kumar.
Thank you.
Hello guys.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for complimenting us. We're glad. Heart touching.
Okay. So the first challenge that we're going to do is a thumb challenge. हम लोग ने अपने स्कूल डेज में वो एक छोटा थंब चैलेंज था ना एग्जैक्टली दैट चैलेंज तो हम वो करेंगे एंड इट विल लाइक द फर्स्ट टाइम में जो विन करता है उसको मेरी तरफ से ढेर सारा प्यार मिलेगा ऑब्वियसली और कुछ नहीं है
तो मतलब हारना भी ऑप्शनल है ठीक है
यस दैट्स द स्पिरिट
बट सी अगर मैं यहाँ पे हार के जीत गया तो यहाँ से केमिस्ट्री बढ़ेगी और इसी को कहते हैं बाजीगर
Absolutely. Oh my God, Pat, you are an ace.
Thumb fight.
What ready? What is
we
this?
We have to play thumb fight. You're saying thumb fight. What is it?
We have to play thumb fight?
Okay, so yes,
huh?
Thumb fight.
We have to do
so
thumb
here
fight.
we go.
Really?
Yeah. Starting, huh? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, that hurts.
इनका नाखून बीच में आ गया तो नाखून
you know I was for a second I was thinking of saying खुशहाली की नाखून बचा के कहीं पार्ट को लग ना जाए लेकिन यहाँ पे उल्टा ही हो गया
चुप हो गया है You were like, मेरे को जीतना है, see?
No. Part was basically already looking forward to lots of my love and lots of my virtual hugs. That's why.
Yeah.
Really sorry. I would like to apologize on behalf of Manjri. She established this game. So yeah, it's her fault.
Okay, so the next one. It's called the rant challenge. Over here, you guys have to explain each other. Like, what was your first impression when you first met each other? वो एक साथ बोलना है, and we have to make out कि कौन सबसे ज़्यादा Okay, 1, 2. मतलब एक दूसरे के बारे में first impressions बोलने. Like when you met each other for the first time, what did you feel when looking at that person? So that's what you want to say together in one breath. So
together. One word.
In one word.
Yes.
No.
No.
So we just have to keep saying, like keep ranting, like both. Yeah, like that.
Yes.
Okay, so
yeah. कुछ भी अच्छा बुरा सब अभी निकाल दो जो भी. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
So when I met him, when I saw him, I was like,
she was very professional. She was sweet. She was nice. She was too
very good looking, very handsome, very again very. I can't talk like this. So we have to say it together. He was a very sweet, very nice, very warm person. It was a lot of fun, and he made me feel very good and very nice as well.
She sings beautifully.
I know he sings really well. That's the first time.
She has an amazing voice.
He said that if we all want to go to Margins, it's a seafood place, and I'm a pure vegan. So
that's her health secret, by the way. She maintains herself.
So एक line में हमने काफी सारी lines बोल दी.
Okay, I think you both win this one. क्योंकि दोनों ने एक दूसरे के बारे में सिर्फ अच्छा ही बोला. I mean, wow. Like first impression था like perfect impression create किया है.
Next round should be only बुराई.
Yeah.
बुरा भी बोल सकते थे. ये rant था. Okay. Moving on. Let's move on to the compatibility challenge. यहाँ पे you guys have to answer for each other. So I'm gonna ask you things about each other, and you just have to like answer for each other. So यहाँ पे we'll see how much you know each other. So one thing. Name 3 things that you both completely agree on, like 100%, like chocolate mint ice cream, ऐसा type का कुछ.
On food? No. He's a non-vegetarian, I'm a vegan, so we can't agree on that. And then what do we agree on together?
Any 3 things that we agree.
Like what?
Like we have to think of it. I think me being punctual. and me being sexy
Yeah.
and me being handsome. Yes,
Yeah, so
all
he's being self-obsessed person I have sitting right next to me. So yeah, he being casual, he being sexy, and he being the most good looking. So yes, let's agree on all those three things. Yeah,
Yeah,
you have
pretty
it
much.
all.
Pretty much.
I am already understanding who's the most playful one out of the two of you. Like,
The
Who's
most.
most?
does he pull a lot
Mischief.
of pranks?
Yeah, yeah.
Does मतलब
He's
बहुत
very.
ज्यादा
I tell her she's like ghee, pure ghee. She's very sweet, pure, nice in her own world.
And what are you? Hindi or ghee?
I am so. I am aloo. I mix with everything. Everything. Whatever you name it, I mix. I become pav bhaji, I become pani puri, ragda.
no. Very true. And you know,
Masala dosa.
everybody's favorite. It's the nation's favorite. Just like Parth is the nation's favorite.
I am just the common man.
Okay, next one. What is the best and the worst about me? So Kushali is going to say the best and the worst about Parth, and Parth is going to say about Kushali. So who
Best.
goes first?
First you go.
Depending on that, she will answer.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. तो नहीं है हम लोग तरह से.
So,
Okay.
best, I like her nature. She as a person is very beautiful from within.
And the
Words.
worst?
Worst.
Words I have to think, yeah, because words is like a big word, you know. I can't say words.
नहीं मतलब
Like I haven't
weird
seen any sort of बहुत ही एकदम एक्सट्रीम वाला ट्रेट मैंने देखा, ऐसा कुछ मैंने ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया इतना, हालांकि मैं इतना जानता नहीं उनको, बट इतना कुछ बुरा है ही नहीं. That's why तो I use the word pure ghee. अब pure ghee में
कुछ भी
हाँ,
कुछ तो होएगा
negative
ना,
क्या हो सकता है?
इतना perfect.
इतना perfect
Or
नहीं है.
maybe you don't know me right now.
Maybe that's what I'm
Maybe
saying.
that's the, I think to say the worst thing, we need to know each other very well. So I think that we don't. And now the question will come to me.
Yeah.
So the best thing about him, I think he's a very sweet and a very warm person, and he's a beautiful soul.
That's because I'm hot.
Yeah, and he is very hot and very good looking. And actually, when we met, I think there are very few people you instantly connect with and you can relate. I think we just instantly we did hit off, and I think he hits off with everyone with ease. He's very
I'm trying
warm,
to say I
very
keep hitting
warm.
on people.
Why were you hitting on me?
That is true, like,
You are saying that
that
you
is like a lot of
he hits up with everyone.
No, on the set also, like he was warm and friendly to everyone, whoever, be it like from a spot boy to the main to our director. He's just very warm and a very fun person. And yes, so that's the good thing. And the bad thing about him is that he really makes me wait. Yeah, I mean, aaj bhi maine bahut wait. I'm always waiting for him, and he'll always have some very genuine, convincing reason. Also, it's never his fault. हमेशा या तो ट्रैफिक होएगा या फिर कुछ ना कुछ ड्राइवर नहीं आया या फिर कुछ कुछ समथिंग और द अदर वेरी वेरी जेन्युइन रीजन
like tsunami आ गई, genuine reason, earthquake आ गया. They're genuine reasons. You can't help it. It's natural calamity.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the worst thing about it, about the genuine reasons.
Okay. So the next one would be there are two fiction. Okay, so one fictional BFF pair that you guys want to be something like Jerry Roo, yeah,
What?
Tom
Sorry?
and Jerry.
What
Like
you would want to?
Two fictional BFFs pair that you guys would want to be with each other. Like तुम लोग का equation कैसा है? Like it's like Tom and Jerry. It's like Jerry Roo. It's like Hum Tum. What is the kind of fictional BFF equation that you have?
BFF you want to have. This is what you're asking.
You want to personify in yourself. Like what fictional BFF do you want to be?
I think Tom and Jerry are really like that. I think they're very cute. They're fighting. They can't do with each other. They can't do without each other. That is something I really enjoy. It's been my personal favorite. Or some song was also there which I really used to enjoy. Tom and Jerry for me. For you?
सोचा नहीं ऐसे दोस्तों के बारे में.
Really Tom and Jerry. It's fun. Lado.
Tom and Jerry is cute. Tom and Jerry is very cute. But it depends who's Tom and who's Jerry.
नहीं कैसा है वही जिनिस है
Okay, cool. What's your most favorite memory of each other? A memory that you guys share, which you also cherish a lot about each other.
I think each and every
हाँ no
Are you saying?
please
I think each and every moment or every moment we spent during our shoot for Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gum, from the very first time when I met him till our last day when we were shooting. I think every moment is very 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 special, and he was always doing something or the other. So he's made every moment very memorable for me, and in fact all of us. That's an emotional. Oh. You can, it's your turn. मेरे बारे में जब कुछ बोलना है, he's just giving all this drama. So he's gone. Can you please come back? So, okay.
the moment of
Okay. Pal,
Now it's
tell
your
me,
turn.
which is your favorite memory of Kushali?
इसने इतना कुछ बोल दिया बचा क्या है फिर से आगे
देखो मैंने इतना रुलाया था क्या सेट पे
in fact बहुत अच्छी memories थे and Savlon moment will be brought to you by Savlon powered by Savlon. That moment will be cherished.
Yeah, the cherished one. You can be mean. Actually, I think his special moment is जब मैं गिर गई थी. मेरे को बहुत जोर से चोट लगी थी. So he enjoyed seeing me fall. He was laughing like
I
how.
was laughing again.
No,
No,
but
he
it's
was not.
okay.
He was really concerned. Everyone on the set was really concerned, and he was very caring. He was roaming around with Dettol. मेरे out with Dettol also he had put.
वो तो मैं shoot cancel करने वाला था. उन्होंने बोला नहीं मैं shoot कर सकता. मैं जरूर.
He's just so caring. Such a warm person. See, I'm telling you.
Okay. Okay. If you guys had to dedicate a song to each other, what would that be? Would it be this?
पहले प्यार का पहला गम.
ओहो.
सज धज के तेरी लहराहट को.
She sang.
मैंने गा दिया.
She sang. Oh my God. आगे का भी गाना.
नहीं, you say.
देखो वो गा सकती हो. इन्हें तो flow में आके आपको उसको flow में लाना पड़ेगा. ऐसे ही कुछ बोलो.
You say.
Okay.
Actually, you have to say something.
I have to say something. What?
What was the question?
Dedicate a song to each other.
See, I to dedicated my line. Now you dedicate from the song. You dedicate
From the
the
song.
Super, super, super.